everyone. Today I want to talk to you about twists. Twists are a revolution on a spit. Every twist is you're breathing on the side that your head is facing, you're packing and filling the opposite kidney, and you can think about a twist as setting up the diagonals. So you cross-reference so you don't squish. Every twist is also a back bend. And when you turn to the right, it's a 180-degree revolution. 90 degrees for the chest, another 90 degrees for the head. When you turn to the left, the chest turns 90 degrees. Then from below, your head receives the twist and it turns another 90 degrees. Then it's a back bend. That is what sets up the liver for the vision, because twists are all about vision. What I see in twists a lot of times is that right away, people lose their vision. What that means is they think they're gonna twist to the right, so they drop their head to the right. Well, you can see that that's not a twist, that's just a disembodiment. And the whole goal of yoga is not to lose your head. Other misalignments that I see in twist is that they lose their foundation. When you turn to the right, what they tend to do is move their hips the opposite way, which then shortens that side, so you see I've lost the diagonals. It is counterintuitive. When you are turning to the right, you almost have to think that your hips are going to the right, so you stay on that perineum. So you are on a spit from the crown of your head all the way down through the center of yourself, through the perineum, all the way down to the center of the earth. And then you're able to go in any direction. Think about a circle and the center, and from that center, you find the circumference. So don't lose the bottom or the top when you twist. One thing you can do in a twist is using the wall or using the floor to help you. Doing warriors and doing twists and lunges at the wall will really help you have a boundary so you know where your pelvis is, so you know where your shoulders are, and so you keep your head and your vision in the right place. Now come to a dog pose and we'll show it. Let's say I'm going to bring my left foot forward. I can even bring my right knee down. So if I'm going to twist to the right, what would happen a lot of times is that people move their hips to the left to already think they're going to take a shortcut to twist to the right. But you can see from the front, I'm not twisting. I'm just squishing. So I'm going to use the wall to know if I can't actually move my hips to the left because I'll hit the wall. So they're like guardrails or riverbanks. When I take my left hand to the middle, I have to think I'm going to move my butt to the right. And that's why yoga teachers always cue like the back leg or the back foot, because now I'm still on a spit from head to tail. It's a real revolution. And if you remember the barbershop pole, remember that sign outside a barbershop so everyone would know they can get their haircut there is the red and the blue alternating stripes like a candy cane. There's never a partner barbershop pole where you lose the red stripe or you lose the blue stripe. You actually ground down and you lengthen and then you twist and then you back bend. And that is what opens a lung and flushes an opposite kidney. From a closed twist, it's the same thing. Find your spit, head to tail. Find your back leg. Get around yourself. So you're not squishing. I'm not dropping my head off, which would make me fall over. I'm pulling myself apart in every direction, shifting forward, going up. And then I can use myself, so I'm not gonna slam into the wall, and I'm not gonna come away from the wall to come off my spit either. Yoga is about the imagination and the trinity between mind and body and breath. So remember, in a twist, find your corners, cross-reference, play the diagonals, and set it up for the vision, because the eyes are the portals to the liver, and twist.